Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Monday, March 22nd, 2021. Yes, the second Sudoku, 2 out of 4 because I will only do 4 Sudokus or puzzles today. It's a 4-star Sudoku, and this 4-star Sudoku will be number 2512. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes, I have already counted. Check this, correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. We see here in this row. Let's get started with this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this big square. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and a 4. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for the numbers 6 and 5. I cannot do anything with those numbers. Let me mark those 2 numbers so you can follow it easier. Alright. Okay, 6, 6. Okay. 5, 5. Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row with 3 in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay. Yeah. 6, 6, 5, 5. Yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. Alright. 1. 6. Okay. And now. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If it's taking too long, I need to put some numbers. 2. Complicated, but look. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. 2. I cannot continue with the 2. How How about... Yeah. Okay. 6. Yes, in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in the second column. So no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. We have a 1 and a 6 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 and 6 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here the 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left. No. 3. These 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. The other pair in this big square, we have here the 6 and the 5. These 2 numbers should be the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, or 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and 8. Alright, 9 and 8. 9 and 8. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. And so the 7 could be here or there in the first row. We see here another 7, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright. And now, how about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Again, we have a pair here. We have a pair there. So in the middle column, we have 1 box left. We have here a pair 9 and 8. So this box should be the number 3. Alright. Okay, so we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 3. How about, let me think. We have here 9 and 8 in this column, so the other pair in this column should be the number 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 4. That means in this big square, the other pair, 7 and 4, should be the 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 9. Okay. 8. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 9, 8, and the 7. 9, 8. This should be also 9, 8. This box should be a 5. Alright. Let me see. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes, in this big square we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. All right. So we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 6. No. Need to wait. How about 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Now 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have here a pair 8 and a 9, but also these two boxes is a pair 8 and a 9. So what are those two numbers in this row? The 5 and the 3 are missing as a pair. Okay. Here also 9 and an 8. Okay. 9, 8, and 6 is missing. Yes, 6, 6 should be there. Okay, 7 and 4. Let me think. 8, 8, and 9, 9. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. In the second column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 are missing. 7, 8, and a 9. 7, 8, and a 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 here in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 7. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Let me mark those. Okay. So now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 4. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes because I cannot fill this yet. The other pair, here we have a pair 1 and a 3. Second pair 9 and 8. The third pair should be in this big square. For the number 5 and the 2 are missing. 5 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be the 5, and this box should be a 3, alright. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6, alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Here we have 9 and 8 in this big square. Now we have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. The 9 and the 8. Now we have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. The 9 and the 8. Now we have a 9 there. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. And the 8 goes here. Finish in 16 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku, although it has 24 printed digits. Yes, less than the previous Sudoku. The previous Sudoku has 25, so you cannot say always the less printed digits it's more difficult. No, I've told you sometimes you have luck, or you have more pairs, then you need more time to solve the puzzle. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a few seconds. The other 2 puzzles. Binary puzzle and a tectonic one, aka Sudoku in Japanese. See you later. Bye bye for now.